A violent incident has occurred in the Asabari area under the Kolomchura police station, where two youths were seriously injured after being stabbed by an individual allegedly involved in notorious smuggling and narcotics activities. The victims have been identified as Jabed Hossain and Jamrul Hossain. The accused is named Sahin Hossain and non-smuggler. Local sources reveal that Sahin Hossain has been engaged in illegal cross-border activities for a long time. His name is linked to various serious crimes, including the smuggling of cattle, clothes, and even human trafficking by cutting the border fence wire. Furthermore, he is said to be directly involved in the trade of yaba tablets and other illicit drugs. Residents claim that Sahin frequently becomes aggressive and violent after consuming yaba tablets, often going on a rampage and stabbing or assaulting anyone he encounters. His actions have created an environment of extreme unrest in the area. On Monday, he allegedly attacked the two youths with a sharp knife while in a state of intoxication, leaving them severely wounded. The injured youths were initially taken to the Boxnagar Community Health Center by locals. Given their critical condition, doctors immediately referred them to the GB Hospital in Agartala, where they are currently undergoing treatment.
ये बस हम ये कुछ से जिला का सामने टाका तो मस्जिद सीमेंट कलेक्शन है तो इतनी डी शुक्रवार कलेक्शन मैंने मस्जिद नाम लगा इसे शोभा मिला टाका तो फॉरेस्ट मुझे कुछ जैसे शोभा एक लोग को हमें मिला टाका आई कुछ हमारे टाइम जिला का से देखो तो रटा तरा दे और ये जिलोया एयरपोर्ट को जैसे जना एक लोग के दिया लाइस और हमें ना करो ने हमारे ते मार को काट बो और तीन नाम ले लिखे या बोली कि हम का हमारे टाइम दिया था कि हम जिला रहेगा से हाँ तोरा तरफ पर मिला दिया ये होता कौन है हमारे पीन को मार को गई को ठीक और बेको धोने का सब नॉट से वजह से होता से हमारे गाड़ा तो भाई कौन को जीता रखा था हमारे गाड़ा तो भाई दोहरा माइल आती है टीवी ते या तो हम दर्शन में बेसिलम कि तो इसे बता काका से जाओ ने ते आई सी ना सूरी बार कोई राशि लगाई हम लोग बस रात में कैसे तो साइकिल ले बड़ा गाड़ी ले आया इसको ना तो साइकिल ले ऐसे हम लोग यार आप लोग अबू जोहीर तरह के जाम को सुना ना जामन को सुना ये सुना ये घटना
Police sources have confirmed that the matter is being treated with seriousness and that a written complaint will be lodged by the victims' families. However, the accused Sahin Hossain is currently absconding. Bureau Report, Chinikhora.